Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno 2, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to the device. So to get started, you want to open up your phone app. From there, navigate into contacts and tap on the three dots up here. And go into settings, where you'll find SIM card contacts, so tap on it. And here are all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. And what you want to do is tap on export. Choose the contacts that you would wish to export. You can select them all at once as well if you want to, or you can just select a single one like this, and then tap on export, and this contact will be exported to your phone. But because this contact already exists on the phone, it tells me to merge it, which I can do like so. And I think it also basically sees all the other contacts that have been duplicated. So yeah, that is basically how you would import contacts or copy contacts from SIM to the device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.